Everyone, this is Shenzhen Boatman Boat Company. Today we will introduce the Leader Pro Boat Operating. Firstly, we get a control like this. Here is the control to control the boat, and here is the fish finder screen to see the waters. First we need to connect the batteries. For the Leader Pro boat, we have two battery cases at two sides. We need to connect the battery. And also, you should do the same at this side. And we switch on the waterproof metal switch at least two sides. And now we switch on the control by long press this button. We'll switch on the control. You can choose the motor's driving joystick. If you are familiar using your left hand, you can choose that way with the fan icon here. And now it beeps because we have not set the home point. The H flashes and beeps. So now we will put the boat into the water and do the calibration and set a home point. Now we put the boat into the water and drive the boat to about 5 meters far away from the bank. Now we will do the calibration. Calibration by long press this button, a hook icon button, and the boat will do the calibration itself. When it finishes the calibration, it will beep and stop automatically. Okay, it finished the calibration, and we will set a home point near the bank. Come a little close to the bank and set a home point. Okay, we set a home point here by long press this with the flag icon. Long press this. Now you can see the H is gray, and long press this button, and it will become green, means that you have set a home point successfully. And now we will drive to a point and save a point 1. And when I push this motor driving joystick for about 5 seconds, it beeps, means that it has activated the auto driving functions. The boat will auto drive for about 1 minute automatically, and you can stop it by push the joystick back. We stop it, and then we save a point 1 by click this. Now the point 1 is gray, and I click this, it becomes green. I have set a point 1 successfully, and I will drive the boat to another place to set the point 2. This distance. When you are auto driving, you can adjust the direction of the boat, left to right. And I stop it by push it backward. Now I will set set a point to click here, and now the battery for the screen for the controller is low. I need to charge it with our batteries. Yeah, got and charge it. This is our own Leader Pro batteries with the transfer, and I can change my controller with the right connectors. Need to control it. So our battery is useful when you're outside and the controller has no power. Yeah, it is being charged, and we have set the point 2 successfully, and the H means the boat, the distance between boat and the home point, and the P means the bows, the distance between the bows and the marked point. And when you're navigating, this is the distance between boat and the destination. Now I will let a boat to return to the home point by long press this button, and it becomes red. It comes to the home point. So the home point and the H point is the same point when you return home. Yeah, you can switch on the front light. By clicking the front light button. And when it comes to the home point, I will switch on. I will switch on the sonar fish finder. Okay, it arrives to the home point. Now I will switch on the fish finder. This is the upgraded version of fish finder. I will switch on it. By long press the switch button, and the sonar enter into the working mode directory. Yeah, and you click this button to open the menu. We will change it to English. Yeah, here. And now here tutorial with the 3 lists for the menu. The sensitivity, you can choose it, depends on the water's order. 1%, 100%, and click here to confirm it. And the depth range depends on your water depth. It will show the perfect result for you when you choose a right depth range. And here means the fish samples. When the sonar detect have found the fishes underwater, you can choose to show the signal, the origin signal from the water, or you want it to show the fish samples by confirming. And the next page is the backlight volume units. Units is for depth, the meter surface or temperature unit. And the next is the fish atom, that all the fishes, the big fish, middle fish, and the small fish will be shown on the screen. And next picture here, sonar chart model. This is the white background. According your favorite, you can choose different background. By clicking, it become red, and you can choose it. Blue background and the grayscale. Come back to the white background and the noise rejection. Okay, here is language. Language, you can choose between total 17 languages: Russian, French, Dutch, and Japanese, Kurdish, Netherlands, Slovakian, and the total 17 languages. Okay, we come back to the English and confirm it by clicking here, and also you long press it and turn off the menu choosing. And now here shows the depth of the water and temperature and the battery for the screen. And here is the fish icon, fish samples here, and the signal. And also let the boat come to the navigate to the point 1, and I will introduce the sonar screen at the same time. You marked the point 1, and then click this button. Click this button and enter to the hopper choosing by push the joystick up for the middle front hopper, down for the middle back hopper, left for the left hopper, right for the right hopper. And also here is the hooker release system. You can choose it by click here. Yes. When always you will release all the hoppers and release the hooker when the boat arrives to the home point 1. So I will make the middle back hopper no, and the left hopper not release automatically. So after you choosing it, you need to click this button to confirming navigation. Then the point becomes red. It ends into the navigation. And here is the distance. The distance between the boat and the home point. P means the distance between the boat and the marked point. N means the distance between the boat and navigating and the destination. Yes, 5 meters. When it arrives the point 1, it becomes green, and the hoppers will open, hooker release, and after it release, it will come back automatically. It becomes red. Totally, we can choose 56 point. Yeah. And also we can see the, I will stop the return. We can see the screen of the sonar again. It is very beautiful, and here feature icons I can change it into the original information. Here is the fishes. And for here, blue line means the low signal feedback from water. Normally, it will be the softer layer at the top of the layers. And the yellow means the strongest signal feedback from the water. and normally we will see it will be the hardest layer underwater, and the red will be middle signal feedback from water. And also here, why it is blue, it's because the signal cannot go through the hardest layer. So here is the low signal feedback from the water. Here is the fishes. We can change. We can turn on the fish icon. Yes, fishes. Yeah, and also we have the depth range shows at the right side of the screen, and here is the working frequency here, and also here has a sensitivity. We can change it by click this two arrows button to change the sensitivities here. All the information feedback from the boat from the detector is real time. It will not be delayed. You can see here. Here is the real information feedback from the boat. We can see from this side. Yeah. And now we let the boat come back by this button. Long press it and it becomes red. When the boat is low power and cannot get the signal from the controller, and also after the hoppers be released, the boat will come back to the home point automatically. Yeah, the boat has come back to the home point. Okay, because we have choose the hopper be released when we navigate to the point 1, so it has been released automatically.